Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, students. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to you for your class this morning. The class that you are in is CIS 101 OC3. This is an 8-week course, and I thought it would be much appropriate to send you a video log. Now, I'm going to walk through the steps of what I need you to do. This first video will be also your first discussion, so pay particular attention to it because you're going to have to answer some questions in the discussion section when you get in. You pretty much already know this part. I'm on the home page. All you have to do is go to My Open to log in. Once you log into My Open, it will bring you to your course layout. As you can see, I'm inside of my portal. This is not your portal, so your portal would not look like this. It'll look different, but I'm inside of my portal, and all I have to do is select the appropriate class. Once again, the class is CIS 101 OC3. Once I click on the appropriate class, it will teleport me inside of the class. Now, inside of here is what we call your learning management system, and this is D2L. So you'll hear me use the term learning management system or D2L. Both of them are interchangeable. They are actually the same thing. So once you get in here, of course, you want to read your first information that is here presented to you. Just read through it. But what I'm going to do is walk you through what you have to do to get started and move forward in the class. Now, like I said, you will have in here just discussions. The rest of the information will be in another portal that's built inside of this portal here. So you will go to discussions, do your discussion first, and then teleport yourself into the other portal. So the rest of this you do not have to worry about, okay? Now, you will click on content to get to this next portal where all of the work will be other than the discussions, okay? So I'm gonna click on that, and that will teleport me here. Now, I tell the students always click on table of contents so you can see a full list of all the things that's in here. So let's take a moment to look at the table of contents. You see right here you have your syllabus, and there's your syllabus right there. You also see right here you got My IT Lab, which here's My Lab IT student links, and these are all the links. Always read through your syllabus. Matter of fact, that's a question that I'm going to ask you in your discussion question. Did you read through the syllabus? You're going to either say yes or no, or don't say I'm about to do it. When you answer that question, have a yes or a no. Okay, moving right along. As you can see, there's many links in here. Now, I'm only going to click on the links that I think is important. It's one major link among all these links that are important, but I'm just going to click on the ones that I think important. If you need information about your book is right here. Both of the books that you use are right here. So there's your information about the books. Now, when you want to go in here and start doing your work, you want to click on here, My Lab IT Course Material, which will teleport you inside of your coursework. And this is where you will end up. You have a list of folders, and each and every one of these folders you will use. You got lab folder, which demonstrates your ability to be able to complete the lab work, which is Microsoft Office 2019. You have to check your understanding. This allows us to see, do you understand the material in here? Technologies in action. This will be a place where you will learn about new technology. Now remember, all of this information you have to read in your book, so do not skip your reading. Then you got help desk. This will take you through the process of how to work in a help desk environment. Now, midterm and final, they are not open, but you will be having a midterm and a final. Now, the first question is this: For the midterm and final, what dates do you have to do your midterm and final? My expectation is that you're going to look at the syllabus and know those dates. They are important. For book information, if you want to know the book information, is also in here too. Please read through the book. When you come in here, you will see outlined in any one of these folders information to complete tasks. But this is what I would suggest to you. It's important. Let me say that again. It's important. Do not go this way. You would rather go to today's view, click on that, and this will walk you through everything you will do in that particular day. If this come up, just click the X and close it, and you will see in here is a breakdown of the completion of your work. My lab course grades, content completion, average time spent, total time spent, okay? A breakdown. And you also have these up here too. But my suggestion is that you click on this first one right here, and this is a breakdown of your assignments week by week. Do the work in here. This way you will know exactly what you have to do. All you have to do is click start, do the work, complete it, go to the next one. Click start, do the work, complete it, go to the next one. Click start, do the work, complete it, etc., etc., etc. Every assignment is already listed in here. And when you get to the bottom, it says view more. Click on view more. All of your assignments are in here. You cannot go wrong if you go this way. If you go another way, well, I'm sorry, we can't be friends. Okay. Now, with that being said, this is how you complete your work. Remember, all of your assignments are in here beside the discussion question. That is here. And every week for the next 8 weeks, you will have a discussion question. Now, note that I am going to email you this video log, and that will be your first discussion question. So when you come into the course, all you have to do is click on the discussion and begin to complete the work. Now, with discussion questions, there is something equally important, and that is this. In your discussion questions, read this carefully. Posting guidelines. I do not play games when it comes to posting. This discussion, your first initial post, you will have up until Thursday at 11:59 to post. If you miss it, there is no excuses in the universe. Everything happens for a reason. So make sure you post appropriate. Read this. Now, when you miss your post, I'm just going to send you a copy of this. So that will answer why you missed your post. So make sure in your discussion boards you post appropriately. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to keep this short. It's only going to be 9 minutes. Please review this video so you will know exactly what you got to do, and you will be able to get through this course successfully with no problem. This is Professor Sistrunk. Bye-bye.